good decision for other people to follow? Everybody? Because if I don't care, everybody, no one else will. And if I get the look just, does it bounce off me and go in their face with anger and bitterness? No, we just keep being ourselves and be an example for other people to follow. So let's change it up. Does your school have performances and assemblies? In these performances and assemblies, who's got to laugh? Who's got to listen? Who's got to sing along? Who's got to enjoy their assembly? Everybody? Me. Because if I don't enjoy the assembly or presentation, everybody? No one else will. Oh, new thing to add. If they decide to care and follow me and be an awesome audience in the musical, in the spring concert, when the teacher is talking, if they decide to be an awesome audience, we say great. So if they decide to care and follow me, everybody, we say great. But if they don't, we're going to say, oh well. Yeah, no. Very important. I'm not going to say boo. If they decide to care, we say great. But they don't, we're going to say, oh well. I'm not going to change my enthusiasm to keep. No, I'm going to keep it up high. And how many here can live with the rumor that you're an excellent audience? Can you live with that rumor? Yeah. And performers out there, look at me. Do you like it when people sing along? Do you like it when people nod and laugh at the right moments? Do you like it when people take pictures, they have their phone out to take pictures of you, not to look at other things, right? Like, that's such a compliment, right? So be that person. Fine, does your school ask you to participate? That is, be a part of spirit days, charity events, in class. Bring something in, student activities. Does your school ask you to participate? Yeah. So who has an example of participation for other people to follow? Everybody? Me. Because if I don't participate, no one else will. If other people decide to participate, great. If they don't, oh well. More pictures of me in the yearbook. Truth? Yeah. Does yearbook take pictures of people not there? No. Or if they're there, does yearbook take pictures of people not having a good time? No. So who's going to be there? Me. And then having a good time? Me. And all I'm saying is, me and my friends, we had fun at Laurier, right? There I am dressed up for a Laurier Spirit Day, wearing a spirit shirt. There I am in grade 12 student council with zero title. Because I was just part of the team. Michelle was president that year. And Stu, who's like I said, wife teaches at St. Andre Bissett. They needed senior students to offer themselves to be fed ice cream by blindfolded grade 9s. And that's one of the main pictures from my grade 13 yearbook. And all I'm saying is, without a speech, that's leadership, right? So these 4 qualities of leaders, are any of them actually that difficult? And so who can do these things? Everybody? Because if I don't do it, no one else will. If other people decide to do it, great. If they don't, oh well. And if I get the look in the process of doing these things, the look just, and when they're ready to come around and care, they can always come talk to who? Everybody? Me. And I have the courage to ask, well, why were they struggling earlier? And maybe I can be more aware. All right. So who's been an example of care and good decisions for other people to follow? Everybody? Me. Because if I don't care, everybody? No one else will. Other people decide to care and follow me, we say, great. If they don't, we're going to say, oh well. If we get the look and we get rejection, that look or rejection just bounces off. Just bounces off you, right? And then how do we put it into action? The Disney 15-5 rule, the Disney 5-meter, 3-meter rule. Let's make a commitment to being approachable by approaching others, right? Who's going to say hi first? Me. Who's going to initiate conversations with other people? Me. And use two-way communication to promote our upcoming events and activities? Me. And if we get rejected in these moments, those rejections just bounce off me, right? Because a no in September can be a yes by January. A no in grade 10 could be either on my committee in grade 12. Correct? Because some of you yourselves are examples of that. And you can be that example for others, right?
Example of care and good decisions for other people to follow. Everybody? Me. Because if I don't care, everybody? No one else will. If other people decide to care, we say, great. If they don't, we're going to say, oh wow. If you get the look of negativity, the look just bounces off. It just what? Bounces off. You're going to lower your care? No. Keep it up high, right? And We're having a great day and had a great day here at Tantramar, home of the
Titans!
And Titans!
Charge!
Thank you so much. Awesome.